Picked up a stapler, thought it'd be fine. Just a few papers, keep 'em in line. But one small click turned into a plight. Things started going wrong out of sight. Stapler, stapler, what have I done? Now look what's begun. Stapler, stapler, what have I done? Now look what's begun. Stapled some pages, the next thing I knew, stapled my fingers, stuck like glue. Tried to fix it, made a bigger mess. Now my desk is in distress. Stapler, stapler, what have I done? Now look what's begun. Stapler, stapler, what have I done? Now look what's begun. Friends tried to help, but they got stuck. Staples flying, running out of luck. Office chaos, papers everywhere, all from a stapler, hard to bear. Stapler, stapler, what have I done? Now look what's begun. Stapler, stapler, what have I done? Now look what's begun. Finally gave up, put the stapler down, left with the mess all over town. Next time I need to keep things tight, I'll use a clip to avoid the fight. Stapler, stapler, what have I done? Now look what's begun. Stapler, stapler, what have I done? Now look what's begun.